Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT R19, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So a couple of seconds ago I just hit my face recognition here, and now I'll just show you how fast the face unlock is on this CUBOT device. So let's start. I'll just make it a couple of times to show you the difference between all the times. So let's start doing it. Okay, one more time. So as can you see, the face unlock test just is show to us that the face unlock is not so fast like the fingerprint scanner test that I just made a couple of minutes ago. You can, by the way, see the fingerprint scanner test on the CUBOT R19 on our HardReset.Info channel, if you are interested in that. So I just recommended you to set the face unlock if you just like this type of unlock the device, but sure, you can just use the another one if you want, because that's is a little bit slow for me. Just for me, that's my opinion. So that's how it looks, and thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comments, and subscribe our channel.